Hi guys, here we are going to see how to incorporate or create page number in Adobe InDesign. For this I'll just select one template over here like this, and now the next thing is what you're going to see is I need to create a page number. So for that you need multiple number of pages. For that you can just click on pages here, or if it's not available you go to Windows and click on pages or F12. Okay, so press on F12 and I'm going to click on this pages. This pages you can just see the parent over here like this. Okay, 2 is there, this is called the master pages. And now what you do is you just push it up in the bottom. You can just like in Photoshop, you can just move it, and here there is an option of adding the pages. You can click on add the pages. Here you have edit page sizes that we'll see later, but here you're going to create new pages like this, 1, 2, around 10 pages. Okay, so I've created 10 pages here, and now next what you do is you zoom back, that is control minus or control plus, just like in Photoshop. Now go and click on any of these master pages, right pages, double click on it, and here what you do is go and click on a box. So here I'm going to create a box like this, and here you have two options, that is a fill color and outline color, just like same in Photoshop. I'll just give some color here, and to the text I'll click on the text, click here, drag it like this, and just type A, just A. Okay, and I will increase the font size. So I want to increase the font size, so what I do is I'll go to text, size, others. When I click on others, we can just see here the font size. I'm going to increase the font size, and here let me keep it as bold. Okay, I'll change the font to some whatever font you want. You can just select whichever font you want, and you want it as narrow font. Okay, so now here this text box, and you just move it up and keep it on here. You can adjust it so that it's aligned in the center. Now what you do is you just click on the text. I want to change the text to white. Okay, so I want to select the text to white, so or let me keep it as yellow color or white. Now white. Now next what to do is I'll just, now is the important point is like select the text. Okay, and go to object, go down and insert special character, marker, and click on current page number, or the shortcut Control Alt Shift and N. So that ends the main task here. Select this, Control C, and you paste it here, you paste it over here. Now things are over. So you have front and left. So now we can just see page number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All the pages have been number. So this is how you give a page number in InDesign. More tutorials are coming in. Keep watching. Okay, now zoom out so you can just see all the pages here. Okay, page number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, thank you.